What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these wooden shelves. So let's just get started. These are the items you're going to need. You're also going to need a saw, a sander, and a nail gun. You're going to want to make sure the saw is at a 30-degree angle, and we measured ours to be about 16 inches. So you're going to want to measure each piece of wood at 16 inches and make the cut. One thing to note is you're going to want the ends to be opposite of each other. So once you make your first cut, flip that piece of wood around and make the cut again. That way each end is angled down. You're going to want to do that 3 times and you'll have your first shelf done. And after that, you just make the 2 other shelves. Now you're going to want to sand each piece of wood, making sure there's no splinters and all of them are smooth. Now it's time to stain them. I put about 2 coats of stain on mine and I let them sit for a few hours to dry. Now you're going to want to place the pieces of wood in the triangle and nail them together. I don't recommend putting your foot on top of them, but we were working with what we had. And then after you're done nailing them together, you're going to want to hammer each side to make sure the nails are flat. And that's it. You have your 3 triangle wood shelves. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.